Hello everyone. Hi friends. How are you doing today? So today I'm going to walk you through a new a version of a software which has been ruling the industry in virtual machine a bit very long. So VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 has come, and basically these are the different features that it carries with it. Okay, so it is released in on 14th October 2025. Build is this one. And what's new in this is the VMware Workstation provides the following new capabilities: introducing Dict tool, basically a command line tools to examine and modify VMware configuration files such as a VMX file or user preference files. Okay, so there is a different new Dict tool to modify the configuration of files, and support for USB 3.2 is added. Support for virtual hardware version 22 is added. Added support for Hyper-V WHP detection. Added support for new guest operating system like Red Hat Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, Fedora 42, OpenSUSE Leap 16 RC, SUSE Linux, Debian 13, Oracle. So these are the different new version of OS are supported in this version like 25H2. Added support for few new host operating system like Red Hat Enterprise 10, Fedora 42, OpenSUSE, and these are okay. So VMware Workstation Pro enables technical professionals to develop, test, demonstrate, and deploy softwares by running multiple x86 based Windows, Linux, other operating systems simultaneously. So this is basically available for Windows, Linux, and when you install this software, if you don't know, this provide a virtual environment to install an operating system and work on it. So basically, it provides a virtualization environment. So nowadays, Windows has inbuilt a virtual tool, and there is another option like virtual box, so you can use those, but VMware has ruled the industry very long, and it is bringing new software with these enhancement. So these are some known issues that is carries with it. Okay, so using VMware Pro, describe how to use VMware Pro. So these are just general guidance. You can read through it if you are interested. So what I'll do, I'll go to download. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so for that we have to log in. Okay, so I have already logged in. So if you don't have an account, what you can do, you can create a login, or if you have already created an account on this, you can log in and then you can download it. Okay, so for that, once you log in, you will come to this interface. Okay, and here you have to go to my downloads. Okay, so once you come here, you have to click this one, like free software download available here. Okay, so I have clicked the that button. Hope you are it's clear with you. So these are the softwares which are freely available. Okay. Okay. So these are 1 to 26. So here you will find VMware Pro, which is 22H. So I'll download this. Okay, so there are four versions like available. Two are like 22H2, 22H2 for Windows and Linux, and then Pro 17 for Windows and Linux. So I have already used this 17, so it has come new. So I on 14, so I'll try to install this. So since I have Windows, you can I'll install this one. If you have Linux environment, you can go for this download. Okay, so VMware Pro and release H2. Okay. So let's see how it downloads. Okay. So something, okay, you have to agree the term and conditions. For that, you have to read this. And I think that button will be enabled now. Okay. And then this is Downloaded option, prior downloading site, additional verification required. Okay, whatever, I'll verify, not an issue. Okay, these are the different things. So submit, I agree. Okay, address, Delhi, UP, something. Okay, so these are important thing. 110054 something. Okay, city, Delhi. Fine. These are the things. Delhi. Okay, so these are things you have to enter. Basically, your details. So submit. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So now I think I can download it now. Hopefully, I'm doing this first time. So okay. So I'll be downloading to this one. Okay. So it is downloading now. Speed is good. So it's basically 278 MB of size. Okay. Since I have a bit, so hopefully it will download in. Yeah. So it's the download has completed. So I'll start the installation. Okay. I've just double clicked it. Yes. Okay. The interface looks new. A bit changes there. So color and all. Okay. Okay. So next, agree. You can read through the agreement. Next, so detect that the host Hyper-V device general guard enable virtual machine will launch using Windows Hyper-V Pro. Then okay. So since Hyper-V guard is enabled, credential guard, so this will launch using Windows Hypervisor. So if it is not enabled, so this will use its internal functionality to do that. Next, yes, fine. Location is fine. Check for update. Okay. Join VM customer extension. Let it be. I'll just disable it for now. You can let it enabled. Next, desktop I don't want. Start menu is fine. Install. Okay. That speed is great. The installation speed is great. So yeah, hopefully it should complete now. Wow. Installing virtual network driver, updating. Wow. Yeah, so it has completed. So let's start it up. VMware Pro. Okay. So this is the interface, new interface. About. Okay. So you can see this is the new version. This is the version number. Memory. This is basically showing my computer configuration. Okay. And these are the different on file. Inside file, new virtual machine. You can create a new virtual machine using this new window. So you can create new window also, I think. Okay. Yeah. So you can create new window and create new instances. Okay. New window open. If you have already a virtual machine, you can open this. Scan for virtual machine. Configure auto start VM. Close tabs. Here you can configure to start the VM start auto start like timings and all you can configure. Okay, since I don't have any virtual machine here, so it's not showing. Otherwise, it will show here, and you can then do the auto configuration start. Connect to a server. If you have any server attached to this, you can configure like VMware, like virtual and a desktop or VDI or a remote desktop. You can connect to using this. Okay, exit, export to okay, open virtual environment, I think. So open we edit inside cut, copy, paste, virtual network area. Here you can edit the network related configuration according to your need. Okay, which preferences. Okay, so these are the different preferences. Default location for virtual machine, I'll change it basically. I will try to keep it somewhere else because in C drive I don't want to have the virtual machine. Okay, so this PC, this has good amount of things. So here I'll create a new VMs. So here my all the virtual machines will be listed or created. Keep VM running after workstation closes. These are the different options. You can play with it. New folder does not exist. Okay. Okay. I choose wrongly. But now it will be okay. Okay. This exists and it's fine. Input, hotkey, display. You can check the settings according to your need. Feedback memory this much, this you can increase how much RAM should maximum it should use. So this is 57 GB, so I'll make it a 20 GB basically. So maximum it should the VM should use 25 GB. 25 GB should use. Okay, fine. Priority normal. Okay, fine. Devices. Okay, so this is basic configuration you can play with. Okay, VMs view auto size customize VMs. It's one if you have VMs listed over here, you can you these options will be enabled. So power on, power off, removable device addition, pause, send controller. These are the options when you have a VM created over here. So tabs. Okay, help. So these are the different help. This is online help topics. You can come here and you can learn about it. Everything you can learn about it. Okay, so these are the other option. Hint, support, this is okay. So this is now basically it's free, so it's good. You can play with it. You can just have a look and create virtual machines if you want to. If you have a good configuration PC, you can utilize its power to have multiple operating system inside window itself and do some configuration and play with it. So hopefully you like the video and you like the software also. Please go and explore it. And if you like the video, please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you don't like anything, please let me know. I'll try to make it better. So, and also let me know the softwares you want to have to want to see the walkthroughs. I'll install those software, configure for you. Okay. So, so before installation, you can have a look and then you can decide later whether you want to have it or how it looks. Anything. So thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead, friends. Bye bye. Take care.